There was a time when Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange was bullish and Dubai financial market was struggling. However, times have changed. DFM is now extremely bullish and ADX is struggling, but somehow, for now we can see it's recovering. Stalkers, welcome back. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. We can clearly see it's on a strong rally from this level, that is 3,520, and from here we are seeing a strong rally to the upside. In Friday's session, it touched 3,703. Last closing is at 3,698. For now, we can see index is a bit stretched. There are good chances it can come down for a correction, spend some time and then make a new high. This scenario is obviously very bullish. As of now, index is going very strong. So where are the resistance and targets? Let's plan accordingly. DFM Index can either take a pause right into the resistance zone, that is around 3,700. If not, it can even come down to retest some of the minor support areas right here, say around 3,650. This zone is a strong support for DFM Index. In case if it goes up from here, the next resistance area is 3,730. I think coming week we should see some correction happening on the index. Mid to long term target for DFM Index is around 3,900. And then next hurdle is obviously 4,000, that is strong psychological and technical resistance area. Overall, for now, DFM Index is very bullish. Any correction or any dip should not be considered as bearish or trend reversal. In fact, a correction would be healthier for the market so that it can make a fresh and strong move to the upside. For example, previously we can see whenever market moved, it came back for a correction to make a new high. Slowly and steadily it's been climbing up. But this time around we saw correction was little bit deeper comparatively to previous correction phases. However, we can see equivalent big move as well, so this is very good for the market. This was the market index. Let's check out some stocks. Lately, Dubai Islamic Bank is been under pressure. We can see it's following this wedge pattern. This is the resistance zone. It's been trying to cross but getting rejected again and again. Thankfully, support is still intact. We can see strong bounces from this area whenever it touches this trend line. If I go up to weekly chart, you can see it more clearly. Right here we can see a strong move to the upside. This is a strong uptrend and now it's just trading within this falling wedge pattern. If it breaks to the upside, we can expect a strong move. However, for that you have to stock the stock, wait and watch game. It can also come down to retest the support, take a bounce, and then maybe a breakout can be seen. So if you want to patiently stock this one, DIB is for you. Very soon I'm expecting a big move in Emaar Properties. As I had mentioned in my previous video, as long as it's above 6.00, Emaar is in safe zone. As of now we can see it's stuck within this range. Right here, upper range is around 6.15, lower range is at 6.05. So once we see a breakout of this resistance, we can expect a bigger move. First target, as I mentioned, is around 6.30, and then potentially it can even come till about 6.40. If at all it breaks the support zone right here, that is at 6.05, as I mentioned, it can even come down to retest 5.90. So let's see how it performs coming week. Overall, Emaar is still in a safe zone. And then I have a very interesting stock, Diva. It made a huge move to the upside. Previously, as I had mentioned in my video, it's trading within this tight range. So I was expecting a breakout somewhere at this zone. I had mentioned there are good chances if it breaks the resistance, it can go higher. However, it came back for a retest at the support, that is around 2.40, and then finally we saw a breakout of this tight range. Anyhow, I was expecting a close above 2.60 as this is a resistance area. It could be an ideal scenario if it closed above 2.60. However, last closing is at 2.59. There are good chances either it can go sideways from here, or we can even see the rally continuing its upside momentum. Next target is around 2.70. Overall, Diva is very bullish. Also, Salik is looking very interesting. After consolidating for so many days right above the support zone, finally we are seeing a close above 3.00. Last closing is at 3.02. If it opens flat or at least with a small gap up, there are good chances it can go higher. Next resistance is at 3.10. As long as the closing is not below 3.00, Diva is still safe. Union Corp also made a huge move to the upside, and from here it started to consolidate, making a descending triangle chart pattern. This is of course bullish. Also, we saw a fresh breakout of this trend line. It broke the resistance. As of now, it's time to retest the support zone, that is between 2.95 to 3.00. Any dip into the support zone, wait for a bullish candle. Your next target is above 3.20. Overall, Union Corp is looking very positive. Most of the stocks in Dubai financial market have been breaking out. I hope you are watching my analysis regularly so that you don't miss out on any opportunities. One of the stock was Empower. We saw a bullish chart pattern. We saw a breakout of this resistance line. It retested successfully. Targets are already achieved. And in case if you have missed this move, wait for a retest. Let it come somewhere around 1.80 and then we will plan for a fresh buying. For now, it's a correction phase in Empower, but overall, it's still bullish. Talim is also on a bull run. We saw it started the rally, say at around 2.60, strong momentum to the upside. It touched 3.90. As of now, we are seeing a red candle right at the top. Well, Talim is overall bullish, no doubt. It's trading almost at all-time high. I would be waiting for a dip right into the support zone, say around 3.50, and then I will make a plan to buy this one. For now, it looks a bit extended to me. A correction is due. But overall, Talim is also a trending stock. And then I have DR. After touching 0.700, it's on a decline. No, the trend is still to the upside. We are only seeing a correction phase. However, if I go up to weekly chart, we can see it's getting negative. After taking a pause right at the top, I was expecting a breakout to the upside to continue its upside momentum. However, last candle is really bearish. We can see selling pressure. Closing is at 0.640. There are good chances if it opens with a strong gap up, it can continue its upside momentum, or else it can even come down lower till about 0.600. This is a psychological and technical support area. Any bounce into this zone should be considered as a buying opportunity. So overall, you can stock DR as well. I hope guys this video was helpful and you have learned something. Do not forget to subscribe for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.